Hi, and welcome back to a new tutorial. Today we are showing you how to create a glow effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, go to the Quick Selection tool and select the subject you want to add the glow to. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Go to the FX button and choose Blending Options. Go to the outer glow button and click on it. Drag spread to 27%, size to 250 pixels, and range 100%. Go to Inner Glow and click on it. Set choke to 100%, size 250 pixels, and range to 100%. Close this window and press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Double-click on Layer 1 to open the Blending Options tab. Turn off the Outer Glow tab and go to Inner Glow. Now turn choke back to 0% and change the blending mode from Normal to Color Dodge. Close this window. And lastly, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 4.8 pixels and hit OK. And there you go. A quick and easy way to add a glow effect to your pictures. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We will see you on the next tutorial.